Are you getting the DNS server not responding error message on your Windows? If the internet is not working or you're facing no internet access problem, don't panic. In this video, we will find the solution for this issue. Before trying any fixes, make sure that you have a working internet connection. If you have any problem with your internet, fix it before trying the other solutions. Change the DNS server manually. In the Windows search for Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet. Network and Sharing Center. Here click on your active network connection. Then click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on the Properties button. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses option. As preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. As for alternate DNS server, you need to enter 8.8.4.4. Once done, click on OK to save the changes. Now check if the problem is resolved. Next is to disable Internet Protocol version 6. Go to the Windows search, type Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Here click on your active network connection. Then click on Properties. Deselect Internet Protocol version 6 to disable it. Click on OK to save the changes. Now check it. It should fix the problem with the DNS server. Next is to disable all additional connections if you have multiple connections available on your PC. It can also cause DNS server issues while using Wi-Fi connections. So disable all the connections except your active network connection. In the Windows search for Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings in the left pane. Right click on the connection that you want to disable and choose Disable from the menu. Disable Antivirus and Firewall. Sometimes antivirus and firewall can interfere with your network and cause various errors such as DNS issues. So to fix this issue, you can temporarily turn off your third-party antivirus software and check if you still have a DNS server problem. Locate the icon of your antivirus software on the Windows taskbar, then right-click on it. Click on Shield Controls and now from here you can temporarily disable your antivirus. Keep in mind that your PC will still be protected by Windows Defender even if you disable your antivirus. So there's no need to worry about your safety. Hope now you will be able to fix the DNS server not responding error on Windows. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.